Namaste everyone. Today is Purnima, which is marked by the birth of Lord Buddha and the day where he attained nirvana and enlightenment. This is a day where if you do some sort of basic meditation, it helps you to release what is not wanted, it helps you to relax and renew, which in turn would help you to have a peaceful and a calmer state of mind for a longer duration. So let's do an active meditation. You do not need to close your eyes. You can see the visuals coming on your screen and completely relax at your sofa or maybe just lie down. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Again, a long deep breath, your stomach expanding, and while exhaling, your stomach contracting. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Become aware of your mind, become aware of your body. Your body is preparing itself to get completely relaxed with each passing breath you take in. Bring your focus on your foot. It's completely relaxed. Your feet are completely relaxed. Your ankles are completely relaxed. Again, with a long deep breath, your legs are completely relaxed and at ease. As you move ahead, you see your mind, your body getting in sync, your breath getting in sync with each awareness of your body part. As we move upwards, your thighs getting completely relaxed, your abdomen getting completely relaxed, navel center, your chest, your shoulders, your hands, your arms, your wrist, your palm getting completely relaxed, your face, your eyes, your lips, your ears, your nose completely relaxed. Now just mentally scan your body from head to toe. It is completely relaxed. Take out a time just to mentally say these affirmations to yourself. As you gaze them on, you release what is no longer serving you. I release what no longer serves me. I open up to receive my higher good. I surrender all the fears and doubt. I allow myself to live the life with full zeal. I'm open to receive the abundance of opportunities that are flowing for me. I am awakened to my higher consciousness. I am bliss. I release what no longer serves me. I'm there to attain all the positive energy which moon will bring to me. I'm happy, I'm peaceful, and I'm positive soul. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Like how the moon shines so bright, I also shine so bright, removing all the darkness from my life. See yourself in the open space, raising your hands up to the moon, receiving all the positive energy. You're bathing in the